guys, I'm Shalini Samuel and I would like to welcome you to another very exciting episode of Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one-stop for everything beauty. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you guys can do a bun in 3 different ways. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit on the notification bell so you do not miss out any videos we put out. So on days when I'm having a bad hair day or I'm just too lazy to wash my hair or legit I do not know what to do with it, for me the answer has always been a bun. Now your hairstyle is only as good as the products you use to prep your hair. So here I have a product that is perfect to get your strands absolutely ready before styling, and it is the L'Oréal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So I'm quickly going to show you how you guys can use this product. Just take a few drops into your palms. I'm taking about this much. Just heat this product up first into your palms like this. And the first thing you want to do is just apply it to your mid-lengths and ends. Now there's one thing we all will agree to is that we all want healthy looking hair. And this product really does it for me because it really helps in reviving your dry strands and it makes your hair look really soft and beautiful. Another thing that I love about this product is that it makes your hair look really manageable and keeps it in place, which is really important when you're doing buns and hairstyles. And in case you guys want any more details about it, you guys can check for the product link in the description box. So let's get started with our first bun, which is the everyday messy bun. Now for all you guys watching, I'm sure you guys have attempted a messy bun at some point in your life. Now I know it looks super easy, but for the ones who've attempted it would know this can be a total hit or a miss. It's usually a miss at most times. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way of doing a messy bun, which will guarantee you more hits and less misses. So let's start. So the first thing you want to do is use a comb and remove all the knots because we're not going to be combing our hair after this. So just gently run a comb through your hair. Now the first thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of volume on the top, and for that I'm going to be making a poof. So remove a section from the arch of your eyebrows to the top. And now just only use your fingers. Keep playing around with the poof and your hair till you're absolutely satisfied the way your poof is looking. So I like how it's looking like this. Now I'm just going to take a bobby pin and I'm just going to secure it by pushing it into the poof. And in case your hair is thick, use another bobby pin to secure it. Now with your fingers, you want to just run it through the hair and take all your hair up like you would be taking it for a ponytail. And if you can see, I am running my fingers through my hair so it gets that texture and messiness. You can also leave some hair out from the sides, and honestly you do not need to achieve neatness here. The messier, the more texture, the better. Now just twist the ponytail around and start wrapping it into a bun. Use a rubber band, and I prefer using a cotton rubber band like this. And just pull on the bun to open it up a little bit. Now at this point you can also run your fingers on the sides and just pull it out a little bit. And if you have any stray bits like this, you can leave it if you like because it's a messy bun. But if you want to secure it, just use a bobby pin and secure it like that. I like to leave hair on the sides. And if you do not want the stray bits, or if you're having a lot of frizziness on the side, then you can go in with your serum. So just take 1 drop on your fingertips, like just this much, and then just slightly go over the stray bits. So this is my everyday messy bun, and I personally love it because I think this goes with everything. You can use this when you are grabbing coffee with your friends, or you're staying in at home and cleaning your cupboard out, or when you're working out in the morning. So our second bun is the half up, half down bun. It is super trendy and chic, and it's absolutely perfect if you're lazy and if you want to push off washing your hair a bit longer. It has also been carried out by so many celebrities across the world, making it one of the most fashionable buns ever. With a few steps, I'm going to show you how easy it is to achieve this bun. So you want to start by taking a section from the arch of your eyebrows all the way till the crown area. And again, I like to use my fingers, but you guys can also use a comb. And now you want to take all of this hair into a high ponytail. So use a rubber band like this and take it all into a ponytail. I like to pull on the top just so that it doesn't look too flat. So I'm just going to use my fingers and keep pulling on the sides. And again, it doesn't really need to be too neat, so you don't have to go into achieve neatness. Just see how it's looking. Now twist the ponytail around. I'm just going to play around with it to add a little bit of texture. You can also push it back and wrap this around, forming a bun. Use U-pins to secure it from all the sides. The more texture and more messiness or waves you have in your hair, the better your half-up, half-down bun looks. So you can also just use your fingers and just create a little bit of texture in your hair. And again, if you want to get rid of any sort of frizz, you can just use it here. And just dab it, don't flatten anything out, but just move it really lightly on your bun and poof. This just helps you really control your hair. So wherever you want texture, you can add texture. Wherever you want to flatten frizz out, you can do that. And this is how I like to do my half up, half down bun. And the best thing about this hairstyle is that your hair type really doesn't matter. It looks great on any hair type. This also really helps in highlighting your features because all your hair is taken up and away from your face, and all the hair around your face really helps in framing it. With buns, you can always incorporate braids just to add a little bit of flair to your hair, which is why lastly we've got the braided Indian bun. Now this one is absolutely perfect for any wedding or any formal occasion, or for when you're just feeling fancy because this is so pretty and elegant. Although this looks super complicated, it is very easy to achieve. So the first thing you want to do is take all your hair into a ponytail. You can use your fingers or your comb to do this. So once you're happy with the way your ponytail looks, just tie it up. This also depends on where you would want your braided bun. So I want my braided bun somewhere here. If you want a lower one, you can just do that by securing a ponytail slightly lower than this. Just pull on the top so it doesn't look too flat. Now split your ponytail into two halves. Now we're going to be braiding both of these sections separately. Now doing a simple 3-strand braid wherein you split the section into 3 sections and you take the right section over the middle section, and then you take the left section over the middle section. Once you're done, just secure it with a rubber band. I'm going to just pull on the braid to add a little bit of fullness to it. I'm going to repeat the same thing on this section as well. Now what you want to do is take the right section this way and flatten it, making a bun. Take all of these bits and just keep it under the bun. Take U-pins and start securing it. And take this section the other way around. Take U-pins and start securing it. Now obviously I want my hairstyle to stay like this throughout the day, and for that I will be using a hairspray. I will be using the L'Oréal Paris LED Satin Hairspray. So this product is great because it protects your hair against humidity, and while doing so it creates a long-lasting style which has a really nice natural and glossy finish. So this is really easy to use. You just have to remove the security tab, shake the can and spray it from 12 inches away. Now this has a micro diffusion spray, so that really helps in evenly distributing the mist all over your hair. What I also love about this product is that it dries up really easily and it does not leave your hair feeling very tacky or unnaturally stiff. So which means it's really easy to comb out your hair the next day. So that is my Indian braided bun, and in case you guys want to watch quick 2-minute hairstyles, then click on the link here. So with that, we have an everyday bun, a trendy bun and an elegant bun. Let me know which ones you guys loved and are excited to try out. Let me know in the comment section below. All the products I have used today are going to be mentioned in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. Also subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell so you're up to date every time we put out a new video, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!